Hello, everybody. So I just wanted to make a quick video. It's probably going to be a little helter-skelter because I'm exhausted and stuff, but I just got this to work and I'm really excited. So I'll try and demonstrate. PitGirl can now respond to questions. Any question, pretty much. So if we start a voice attack, I can ask it, and the dictation might be a little rough. So let's see if she gets it right. PitGirl, let me ask you a question.
What would you like to ask?
Why is the sky blue?
I heard. Why is
So
the
she
sky
echoes
blue?
it out to the Twitch chat. She says it.
The sky is
And
blue
then
because
we
of
get a
the way
response.
sunlight interacts with the atmosphere. Sunlight is made up of all the colors of the
And
rainbow, but
the
blue light is scattered
dictation
more than
response
other
is a
colors by the
little
tiny
rough for me
molecules of air in
verbally.
the atmosphere.
So it's also set
This
up
is why
now
we
so
see a
that
blue sky
viewers
most of the
in
time.
Twitch chat can ask questions too. So if you do just the PitGirl command all on its own, the usage now suggests that you could ask her a question. So PitGirl ask is the syntax that it's supposed to have. So you say, PitGirl ask, are we there yet?
Okay, Robert's Mania.
So just because somebody asked the
yet?
question in Twitch chat doesn't actually send it to, be answered. I have to approve it. So once somebody's put that in, it gets saved as a variable. There's timeouts and stuff, so somebody couldn't step on it right away. But if I tell it to go, it's PitGirl, ask the Twitch chat question.
Asking, are we there yet?
So she asks it and
No,
the answers.
Not yet.
It's amazing. And just to give a little bit of background as far as a peek behind the curtain, obviously this is ChatGPT. And the code that interacts with the ChatGPT API was actually written by ChatGPT. So I gave it this paragraph where I tried to specify exactly what I wanted the C# class to do, and it needed to conform to some specific stuff about how it works into the voice attack plugin system. But I tried to be as verbose and clear as I possibly could, and it produced a function that actually, or a class with a method that actually did it. But there was a problem where it could still have leading punctuation characters in the response that came back. So I told it that was good, but it still included leading punctuation, and it gave me a second revision. This revision is what I'm using. So I didn't modify it in any way. In Visual Studio, I added a class, OpenAI.cs, to my project, and I just pasted in the code that it provided without changing it at all. And then in my logic, in my plugin routine, if the plugin gets invoked and it has this ask ChatGPT context, then I check to see if I've got a API token for the authorization stuff, which is stored elsewhere so you can't see it. And then it also checks to see if it has a local variable in voice attack for the current prompt. And if both of those are satisfied, I do add a little parenthesis statement to the prompt to ask it to please respond in less than 500 characters so they don't get totally verbose replies. But then it just calls the function that ChatGPT wrote to ask itself. So OpenAI, ChatGPT handler, ask is the function in its class, and it just passes two parameters, the token and the prompt, and gets a response. And then it sends that response back to voice attack in a local variable for the response, and that's the way it is. It's a little more complicated for the Twitch chat integration as far as how I process what the users type in and stuff, but it works. So anyway, like I said, I wanted to share this. It's going to be interesting to see what people want to have PitGirl tell them about. So anyway, thanks for watching. PitGirl, end stream.
Ending stream. Please remain calm.